Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative products.
Today, we're exploring one of the best marine-grade electrical connectors available in the market, the Sopoby heat shrink butt connectors.
If you're looking to upgrade your electrical connections, stay tuned because this might just be what you need. These connectors from Sopoby are designed for durability and reliability in marine environments,
making them ideal for boats, RVs, and any outdoor electrical projects that require a waterproof solution.
With a double-wall design and hot melt adhesive inside, these connectors ensure a strong, waterproof seal, preventing corrosion and ensuring long-term reliability. They feature a thick tinned copper barrel, providing excellent conductivity and minimizing voltage drop, which is crucial for maintaining efficient electrical connections. Each connector is straightforward to use with a simple crimping process, ensuring a secure connection without the risk of wires slipping out. Now, let's demonstrate how easy it is to use these connectors.
As you can see, it's a straightforward process. Just strip your wire, insert it into the connector, crimp, and apply heat to shrink the tubing for a secure, waterproof seal. In conclusion, if you're looking for marine-grade electrical connectors that deliver on durability, reliability, and ease of use, look no further than the Sopoby heat shrink butt connectors. Whether you're upgrading your boat's wiring or tackling an outdoor electrical project, these connectors will ensure your connections are secure and waterproof. If you're interested in upgrading your electrical connectors, check out the link in the description below to find these Sopoby connectors on Amazon. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected with the best tools for your projects.
See you soon.